Hello, good day. Today we'll be dealing with Biology Past Question 2019. Question 29. The salinity of brackish habitat: A. Increases immediately after rainfall. B. Increases at the end of the rainy season. C. Decreases with an increase in the number of organisms. D. Increases during the dry season. Now you ask yourself, what is salinity? Now salinity is simply the salt content or concentration of salt in that water. Now immediately after rainfall, the water in a brackish habitat increases, thereby the salinity will reduce. At the end of the rainy season, the water content is still high, so the salinity will be considerably low. Now decreases with an increase in the number of organisms. Now this is actually false. The number of organisms doesn't affect the salinity, but option D says increases during the dry season. Now you agree with me that during the dry season, the water content in a habitat dries up. Now the water dries up or reduces, and then the salt is left behind, now thereby increasing the salinity or salt concentration of the habitat. So the answer is option D, increases during the dry season. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe for more videos.